We are here on the second day only, and the progress is amazing. Everything already been removed, ready for pour cement and install brick pavers. This section, where the landing will going to be. Just to remind you, this patio will go away. We're gonna patch this and convert this sliding door to a window. Guys are working hard. Very hot outside, but they're still doing their job. Amazing. All materials are ready for making the cement and get rid of the trash and the debris and the dirt and the concrete. See you guys next time.